Hello beauties. Watch me as I do my morning skincare. This routine is what I do every morning. I will first wash my hands and then hydrate my face with lukewarm water. Then I will go for my CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Taking a generous amount, rubbing it on my palm, and then massage it on my face, to take out all dirt and impurities. This is an effective but gentle cleanser that works for all skin types. It cleanses and hydrates, without disturbing the protective skin barrier of the face. It's time to rinse off, after massaging for about 60 seconds. Now, I'm going to pat dry, with a clean towel and, proceed to the next step. For my toner, I will be using Beauty of JOSEO and Glow Replenishing Rice Milk. Dispensing a few drops onto a cotton pad and gently wipe across my face and neck. This toner deeply penetrates into the skin to enrich it with hydration, smooth, dry, and a rough texture, and optimize skincare benefits. Allow it to dry and move to the next step. For my serum, I will be using Rice Plus Alpha A Arbutin and Glow Deep Serum from Beauty of Joseon. Taking a few drops and massaging onto my face and neck. This serum is designed for individuals dealing with pigmentation issues and uneven skin complexion. It works diligently, to illuminate and boost the health of the skin. Next product to use, is the 10% niacinamide plus 1% zinc serum from The Ordinary. This serum addresses enlarged pores, helps regulate excess sebum, targets wrinkles and fine lines, improves plumpness and suppleness. It also supports overall skin radiance. This is an ultimate multitasker for smoother, more radiant looking skin. Now onto moisturizer. I will be using Clinique Moisture Surge Intense Face Cream. Taking a little amount, and massage onto my face. This delays signs of aging, fights wrinkles, improves skin texture, hydrates and moisturizes the skin. Time to top up with a sunscreen, and I will be using the one from Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics. Taking a generous amount, and apply it on my face and neck area. This sunscreen is infused, with a powerful blend of probiotics and rice extract, to strengthen the skin barrier, locks in moisture and protects against dehydration. Sunscreen is crucial for protecting the skin from harmful ultraviolet radiation, which can lead to sunburn, premature aging, and skin cancer. Ending my skincare routine, with a lip balm. Using the one from Sense Hydro Shock Lip Balm, which is formulated with hyaluronic acid to hydrate, protect, and soften the lip area. That's all I do, for my morning skincare, to achieve a smooth, healthy, plumping, glowing skin.